But then when you get into integration testing for a data system, it never works as well as a regular software system. I've tried to do this sort of thing in the past, where you've got integration, like a sample of test data that I run through the data system, and then I compare it against some pre-computed results to see that it's all sort of doing the right sort of thing. It never really works it doesn't catch that many problems. Because there's probably a couple of things with that. One of them is that your integration test data, it needs to be really representative of real world data, and real world data is messy and it changes and it messes you up and it breaks things in weird ways that you could never have anticipated. So no matter how good your integration test data ends up being, there's always stuff that doesn't get caught by it, that your integration tests give you less confidence. The other thing as well is, like, if you're doing a lot of, one thing you're trying to check for when you're doing very big machine learning training runs is that you're not going to start running out of resources. You're not trying to factorize a really gigantic matrix that breaks through the amount of RAM that you've got available, for example. So that means that you've got to throw an awful lot of integration test data through every time you're running your integration tests. And if you're doing a lot of dev work, if you're doing that, it means that your integration tests become super expensive and don't end up catching that many errors.